Oh! Like as soon as they hit the water, I got a little strike there. Maybe I'll come back. There we go. There we go. Come on now. Come on now. Yes! Finally! Finally got me a bass. And a fairly nice one too. Finally. Oh my gosh. Thank you. You have no idea how much this means to me, Mr. Bass. They're beautiful little bass there. Beautiful bass. Look at the coloration on this guy. Beautiful. Thank you so much, little guy. Oh, it feels so good. So good to get the skunk off. Oh my gosh, I no longer stink. Wacky rig flat earthworm gets them. What the hell? Damn turtle! Then there's a big ass carp swimming right there. Damn turtle took my oh my god. I seen my line starting to go out and I was like, oh, whoop, nope, gone. Oh, something's chasing.
Oh, you're gonna bite. You're
Oh, shit, my God.
Hard, buddy. That shit was rough. Took everything.
I think it was the turtle.
It probably was.
It fell all the way back through. Son of a bitch. Dude, fly fishermen, how in the hell do y'all do this? I know Pawpaw's probably up there laughing his ass off at me. One of my damn goals this year was to fly fish more. So I bought this Max Catch fly rod. I'm gonna go down here to this great big old pool and see if I can't catch a bluegill or a rock bass, or even if I can cast this thing at all. Do you know how long it's been since I fly fished? Years and years. And you know what? Bam, bam. Shoes off, connecting with nature. Fly fish. Fly fishing. Damn, this thing casts pretty good. For me not being very proficient. Oh my God. For me not being very proficient in the art of fly, I'm actually casting it fairly decent. Ooh, I had a little one come up there and look at it. Come on, guys, leave it as you found it. Leave it as you found it, damn it. There we go. I got one. Ha ha ha. There we go. First fish on the new fly pole. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I just want to show you off for the camera. All right. See ya. You little bastard. It's not a big fish. Oh, yeah, I just felt him fight.
Oh,
Bass!
huh. Stealing all our bait all the time.
Probably was. No, it's a largemouth. Not a bad little fish.
Yeah.
Right there, yeah. He's got like no coloration on him.
You're kind of bland.
Thank you, buddy. See ya.